Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Looks like we got a uh-oh! This is gonna make idiots in cars. This is gonna make idiots in cars. Please do something. Follow me, come on, let's go crazy, baby. Uh-oh! Go! I follow him! I'm following him. We're doing it. Let's go, let's get this clip. Please don't have a gun. Oh my god, they're getting out of the car. Are they gonna fight? Oh my god. Oh my god. They're fighting! Oh my god! Oh my god, he's putting his hands on her. Christ. God damn it, do I have to deal with this bullshit? Come on, guys. What the f?
Almost entirely from the left. It's impossible to get to his hands to his right. So instead, it's attacking him from the left.
The more it is hot, the more it is favorable for multiplication of flea bringing plague, and climate-sensitive diseases like malaria and plague can appear.
In that report from Dorcas Wengier, how are you doing? And you, Siri. What's up? Are you good? You're the one who pulled in my lane. What? Me? What did I do wrong? 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 You got nothing, buddy. You got go. Come on, go. Come on, yeah, come on. Go ahead, man. Come on. Say, Christ. Oh my God.
You want me a
Yeah?
treat you like a come over here. You
I
want
wanna
me
come
a
over to you.
treat you like a
Oh yeah? Slap my ass?
Yo,
Yeah?
that,
Oh
I
yeah.
don't do that gay shit.
Oh yeah?
Alright?
I have fun. I hard to believe,
Go
man.
to your friends for that.
Uh huh.
Mother.
You look like a lot of my gay friends, actually.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You know the gay one. None of them don't look like this.
Yeah, a lot do actually. No, a lot do.
Now, they talk like you and look
No,
like
no, 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 no.
Well,
Punk, motherfucker.
you
Yeah.
lucky.
Yeah.
It's my good day.
Oh, this is your good day.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's
Right.
bad. Yikes.
I'm gonna pop that melon for you. Yeah, laugh.
What'd I do to you, man?
Watch who you with.
What'd I do? What'd I
Try
do to you?
Slow down on that light.
Cause there was a red light. What the?
Right.
It was, bro. You're crazy, bro. There you go. What the?
What? Careful, 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 careful.
What?
Oh, look at it. Fire truck.
Love for S60, love for all my bros, love for all my foes, songs at my shows, startled in my flow, shine in my goals, too deep in the smoke, County in my soul.
Whoa.
I got it all on dash cam. I'll submit it later. Yeah, he's distracted driving.
pulling me over for a second when I first saw him. I saw the light.
This is the once in a lifetime experience.
Holy crap!
It is cops.
Yeah, and there's a couple more back there.
You'll probably will never experience this again. It's a rare thing.
Holy crap, dude!
That close. Oh, look at that hole. Oh
Yeah,
my
they
God.
definitely hit the sign. Oh my goodness, there's another.
Oh my
There's.
God, that's a fire truck.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the paramedic.
Are they behind us? Are they trying to get over? I'm running over debris. Oh yeah, somebody's definitely injured. There's a second.
Oh, they're kidding.
There is a set. Holy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's terrible. I hope that they were pulling a girl out of this smashed up flipped over car. There was 2 flipped over cars.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.